Welcome to Indian Ceramic Asia. Great platform for the people, those who cannot travel everywhere. So, it's the place where the supplier and the buyer converge together.
We're back to India and have meet more old friend, new friend. We're looking forward to become more stronger in Indian market.
It's an open platform where our guests from Italy, also head office, also come here, and there is an exchange of technology, a thought process. So I think it's a great platform.
So we receive many visits of actual customers which are evaluating investment.
This is our first year in the Ahmedabad show here, and we are very happy with the response.
Ceramic industry, the producers, the equipment manufacturers, the support services industries to one location at large scale is humongous task.
A lot of insights, a lot of knowledge upgradation, a lot of innovation which is happening in the industry.
This is our third year participating at the Indian Ceramics Asia. I consider this as our home ground.